When sailors are sailing at sea across the oceans, they are very close to nature. They experience both fury and the beauty of the sea. Fury can be in the form of cyclone, hurricane, storms, whirlpools, etc. Whereas the beauty can be calm sea, mirror-like sea, sunset, sunrise, different shadows of the water, rainbows, icebergs, etc. In this picture, we can see a rough weather photo of a 90,000 tonner, a crude oil carrier, and making passage in Arabian Sea during southwest monsoon, July. And you can see the rough weather here. And the seas are shipping on deck. Entire deck is having so much amount of sea water which is flowing. And other photo is of beauty at sea. It is of sunset at sea. Waterspout is very rare and unique phenomena at sea. Waterspout is whirlpool in which water is picked up and mixed with the air and thrown up in the sky. In this picture, you can see the water is picked up, sea water is picked up, and it is thrown up in the air, and finally, the water is in the form of the clouds, and this clouds formation is there in the sky. There are two types of waterspouts. One is fair weather waterspout, and other one is tornadic waterspout. These fair weather waterspouts form over water and they also dissipate or finish in water. Whereas tornadic waterspouts are tornadoes, those form either on water or they form on land and move to water. Such waterspouts you can find in Adriatic Sea, Aegean Sea, Ionian Seas. Waterspouts are associated with the cumulus types of the clouds or cumuliform type of clouds or cumulonimbus clouds. And here in picture you can see such type of clouds at same level. So at one level the clouds filled with water are forming in the air and while this water spout is pumping water up in the air. Such fair weather waterspout was sighted here near south of Nicobar Islands and north of Indonesia when the ship was on a passage from Singapore to Chennai and I was sailing. This photograph was clicked by me of actual fair weather waterspout on 25th December 1996. These fair weather waterspouts have 5-part life cycle. That is, first part is formation of a dark spot. So when waterspout is forming, the dark spot you will be able to see on the surface of water. Then spiral pattern on the water surface. So here the spiral pattern you can see on the surface of water. Then formation of a spray ring. So these are formation of spray ring. Water is picked up on top, and it is in the form of spray, and these will be spray rings on the spiral movement of the water. Then development of the visible condensation funnel. So this water is picked up in the form of spray. When it is picked up and going up in the sky, it is in the form of funnel, and as if water is getting pumped up and it is forming clouds on top, and this funnel is pouring clouds here, and which are spreading at equal level all over the sky. So these are the four stages. Fifth stage is ultimately decay of this water spout. Generally, the fair weather water spouts, they last only for about 30 minutes or so. So within 30 minutes they dissipate on water itself. Wind speed can be maximum in this whirlpool, maximum up to 30 knots. And these water spouts are not considered as very dangerous. In this picture you can see the sea is almost calm, the horizon is also calm, and visibility is also very good. So it is associated with fair weather. So these type of water spouts, they form in tropical or subtropical area, but they can also be seen in many parts of the world, including Great Lakes. So over Great Lakes also you can find water spouts. Most of them do not suck water because their life cycle is small. So by the time they form, and they dissipate within short time. But some of them only, they form this funnel shape and lot of clouds, and they last for about 30 minutes. Not many mariners are lucky enough to witness such unique phenomena and the beauty of the nature. So I was lucky enough to witness such beauty of nature and click the photo of it. This was 26 years back. Nowadays it's okay because you have mobile phones and quickly you can take a picture. But those days we had to carry our cameras and click a photo. So thank you very much for watching and your time. Please like, share and subscribe. In case you are having any queries, please contact me on email mncgvoyage@gmail.com. Captain Joe is signing off here.